Hello guys. Maybe some of you have missed previous class due to the holiday, and then today just do a pre-recorded version of this class, Chemical 1093, and today we're gonna learn a little bit on pointers. So what is a pointers? So pointers is a type of variable in C++. As you can see, we have in normal C++ we have the char, short, integer, float, double, and then we have the pointer here. So what's a bit different between the pointer and this one? This is not a pointer, this is a normal variable, integer h equal 20. So what is actually a pointer? Okay, normal variable like this one store this value, while a pointer store a memory addresses. So for example, okay, if you look at this pop picture, you are given box like this, this is a box, right? And then the box have a number 0 1 2 3 4 5. So basically we have 18 boxes which have number 0 1 2 3 4, and the colored box, yellow box, are box with a goal, okay, a goal, while the box without the yellow color don't have goal but have a piece of information of a small paper, and inside this paper they have a number. For example, if you open box number 1, you will find a goal. The same goes with box number 3, number 4, number 7, number 11, number 12, number 14, number 15. You will find a goal. But if you open a box number 0, there's no goal inside, but there's a paper, and the paper says that please open number 8. So when you go to box number 8 here, you find another piece of paper which says that please go to the box number 4, and finally you find goal. So basically this piece of paper that shows number 8, piece of paper that shows number 4, this is basically a pointer in C++. Okay, now let's take a look at this example. Integer asterisk pointed to h. So when you see this command with this star, meaning this variable with type integer is a pointer. And what does it store? It store memory addresses. So memory addresses is not number. Memory addresses is usually have the symbol ampersand and then followed by numbers and character. So in this example here, okay, we'll try to find out what's the, okay, this is the example of memory addresses, 0 times 2 to FE9C. So this is the memory addresses. So if you look at this example here, for example, okay, where in this example integer h equal to 20 pointed to h address of h. So this means address of h. So let's say we have a box like this, and this box name is h, and this box have number 20, and this box is at some cupboard, yeah, and there's another box here, maybe this box name Nike, for example, maybe number 2, and this box have address, like your house address. So this box, maybe the address is 0 times 1 1, and maybe this is 0 times 2 2. So what basically pointer does is pointer store this address. So if you give this example, for example, you draw integer h where this h contain 20, and you want to know the address of this, you can print out this using cout, and then you have this symbol and h. What does it print? It will print this. Okay, so I'll prepare one small code for you, and then you see this one is integer h equal to 20. The h is, you will find that the answer is 20. And now we want to print out the memory address of h, which is, can we compile? So the address is 0 times 666 fe0c. So this is the memory address of h. So this is the memory address of h. But the problem now is we cannot store this memory address using integer. So how do we store it? How do we store this memory address in our programming? Okay. One way to do it is by declaring a pointer. So declare pointer to store memory address of h. So we put integer x okay, h, maybe put h address. So how we store now? We can say that h address equal to address of h. So if you print this, I delete this one. If you print this, yeah, you will get the address. Okay, this is a declaration. Right. Okay, as you can see, you get the address. Okay, what if you want to print the real value? What's inside this value? You know the address. Can you print the value? Can. So you can say, you can use the same command here. The value, real value is this. You can put again the star here. Copy this one, and you will get the real value again. So this is how we use a pointer. Compile. So this is an example of a pointer. You see, the same with the integer h20, the same. Because why? Because it points to the same thing. Okay, so this is about pointer. Very simple thing.